Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you set up the ToTwoo couples bracelets. Basically, you're going to have one and you're going to connect it to the app in your phone, and your loved one is going to have the other one and connect it to the app in their phone. Then you connect to each other. So let's connect it to the app. There's the ToTwoo app there, so I'm going to open that up, and you can see down here you've got me. So I'm going to go to me. And then I'm going to go to manage my ToTwoo. Now I already have a Morse Love bracelet connected, but I'm going to connect this bracelet. So I'm going to click add ToTwoo, and I'm going to say confirm. And it tells you right here, this is the series we have. You can see it right there. I'm going to hit that, and then I'm going to tap that. And by tapping that, it's going to ignite it. And you can see immediately it sensed it and wants to know if I want to pair. I'm going to pair. And then I'm going to say allow. And got it, and right there it's connected. And Mountain Sea, you can see it is the vibration style, and this is connected. And if you go in there, you can select different settings. You can select these are system settings that you have to set up for the app in order for everything to work right. So you want to make sure you set that up, because if the app isn't set up right to be able to run in the background, it can mess things up, because the only way this communicates is through the app. The bracelets can't communicate directly with each other. That's just way advanced technology that doesn't exist right now. They communicate to the phone through Bluetooth. Then the app on your phone communicates to the app on the other person's phone, and then their app communicates to their bracelet. So that's the way this all works. And if you go back, you can see there's different settings. You can set the intensity of the vibration, how strong that is. And then you can also have it notify you if you have an incoming call, and you can choose whatever color you want for that. So I can tap that, and I can say, hey, I want it to be orange. And you can see it immediately shows you what that's going to look like. Or I could say, no, I want it to be green when that happens, and you can see what that looks like. So I'm going to click save, and you can have it just do 3 important contacts, or only from known contacts, or for all calls. So you can set this up to only vibrate when someone really important calls you to notify you on the bracelets. That's kind of a cool feature. And you can turn it off too if you don't want it on at all. And then I'm going to go back. Lucky Day Coming, that's a feature within the app to let you know that there's notification. And Love Letter, now that is something that you can send through the app. You can send someone a love letter, they can send you a love letter. So you're going to see, I'm going to demonstrate that in just a minute. You can send different color messages, but then you can also have a special color for Love Letter. And Love Letter, if we go in, I can show you right now what that looks like, because I have that through the Morse code. So, oh, here we go. So love letters. Love letters, if you hit create, you can choose whether you want to send a photo, an audio, like an audio message, or a video. And that will send that to the other person's phone, to the app, and then they'll get that special love letter notification on their bracelet, so they'll know this is something they have to go to their phone in order to see what love letter was sent. So that's how that works. Now this is the other bracelet, and in this situation, this person has an Android phone. So you can see it's pretty much the same as on Android as it is on iPhone. We're going to go to me, and we're going to go to manage my ToTwoo, and we're going to say add ToTwoo, confirm. We have the love bracelet, so I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to tap this. And you can see it is now connected successfully. And so reminder setting, and this is where you can see you can change the intensity of the vibration. Same thing, set up incoming calls, and you can have different colors. So if I go in here and I change it to purple, you can see lights up purple, so you would know. And you can have it just be from calls from 3 most important contacts, or only from known contacts for anyone, just like the other one. So now that they're set up, now you need to connect to the other person. So we're going to do that. So if you're not already connected to someone, I was already connected to someone, but I unconnected so I can show you, you'll see add partner. So you click add partner, and then you enter your partner's phone number that they use to set up their account. After you do that, then it's going to connect you. And see, after you enter that, you click invite your partner, and then it's going to send an invitation to the other person and their account. Once they accept it, then you'll be connected. Back on the iPhone, you can see received the invitation to connect. I'm going to click agree, and now I am connected. So really what you're using to communicate with these bracelets is the colors. So if you click send, you'll see there's different messages, and you can edit the message and edit the color associated with that message. So thinking of you, you can see thinking of you, edit color. And let's say if I'm thinking of my special someone, I want it to be blue and I want a short vibration. Save. Now that saves that color for both people because you need to have the same color. That's how you stay in sync. And you can change it to a different message if you want to change it to a different message. And there's several different ones. I love you, need you, sad. Again, you can change it to whatever you want to change it. You can make the meaning be whatever you want it to be. You can choose the color. If I'm sad, I'm going to say I'm yellow and long vibration. So that's that. So it happens now, if I were to send that to the other person, then you can see it's yellow and it's vibrating. It's a long vibration. So then I would know that someone is sad. Now, without even using your phone, you don't have to use your phone to send. You can send a message just by tapping. So if I tap on this bracelet and then tap again, then it sends a message. That's the thinking of you. So you can see on the description, it'll let you know if this is something. So it says you can only send this one through the app. So most of them you're only going to be able to send through the app. Sorry, you can only send through the app. So those, to send any color, you have to go through the app to do that. But thinking of you, you can see it gives you instructions. You can send that by tapping and then tapping again. And then, so you can do that one. And then I love you, you can do by tapping and then long tapping. So you don't have to have your phone. And again, of course, you can make those messages whatever you want them to be. So the two messages that you want to be able to send without having to use your phone, just if you're throughout the day and you just want to send a quick little nudge to your special someone. So if I tap this and then tap it again, you can see that lets the other person know thinking of you. If I tap and then long press, that's going to send the other message. So you can see that sends the I love you message, or whatever you want it to be. Again, you can set it up, but there's two messages you can send. Tap it to activate it, and then tap it again, and then tap it to activate it and long press it. Those are the two messages you could send to the other person without using your phone. If you want to send any other colors with your attached messages, then that you have to do through your phone. But you can use it either way. So really cool. Once you have it set up, now it's good to go. You can use it like that. You can just send messages to each other through the bracelets themselves, but you can also use your phone to send the love letters. So attach a video or a photograph or audio message, or send one of the other special colors, whatever you want to do. So that is how these work with the ToTwoo app and the bracelet. Again, and you can be any distance from each other. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, but your bracelet has to be connected to your phone, and your phone has to be connected to the internet, because that's how all this information travels the distance. It goes through the internet and it uses the app on your phone. You have to make sure the app is set up correctly. All those settings like I showed you, so that your app can run in the background and be always active so that it can receive and send those messages. But once you get it set up, yeah, you can communicate with your loved one anywhere, and maybe they're somewhere they can't get their phone out of their pocket, or they can't be on their phone, but they could see that little message on the bracelet that lets them know you're thinking of them. And that's what's really cool about these bracelets. They're really easy to set up and get them going.